I've been hating how my clothes have been fitting me, so we're cropping everything. Like I said a little earlier, I am super tired about how my clothes have been fitting me. I feel like we are out of the whole baggy era. So if you guys are like on the same wave as me, I wanted to show you guys how I personally crop my t-shirts. I know Paul from Locust&WildHoney did this video, and then also Richie Lee did. But shout out to Paul for actually putting me onto this tool. A couple of you guys did ask on my Instagram post what t-shirt was I wearing. I'll put it up on the screen as we speak. That was a Flake Studios blank that I did go ahead and crop. So Flake Studios blanks coming very, very soon. I feel like they fit very perfectly in baggy and boxy, especially after cropping them. This Adidas jersey is super big on me, but I felt like cropping it would have a nice little boxy cut to it. We shall see. I did go ahead and pick this up from a Buffalo exchange. So number 7, no name on the back. Shout out Kanye. If you guys know that clip, you know that clip. 7. All right, so if you see anything in this video and you wanted to go ahead and try it out, I will link everything down below. This whole tool set was purchased off of Amazon, so make sure to go ahead and utilize that link down below if you wanted to purchase anything. It does come with separate pizza cutters as well. So we'll go ahead, show you guys how I crop my t-shirts, and then I also just have a nice pair of scissors on the side just in case I need to, you know, finish off the cuts and everything like that. Alrighty guys, so getting into the cropping portion of this video, this is a Flake Studios blank in a size extra large. Lately I've been cutting a lot of these Flake Studios blanks just to get a nice, you know, fit to them. When it comes down to this specific one, I did low-key cut it down a little too much because I kind of didn't mark it. I would recommend like marking the item with a piece of chalk or even some deodorant maybe. Like I said, I did cut it a little too high, but it is still wearable, so I wasn't too mad about it. But as you guys can see, I do have the nice little board on the bottom so it doesn't stain up or cut up my table. And then I also do recommend this like big plastic ruler because it helps you get a strong like straight line. You're not really jagged with it and everything like that. These tools, like I said earlier, they're going to be linked down below. They're definitely worth checking out when it comes down to, you know, cropping your t-shirts. They're very helpful. And then this is the last final product. Like I said earlier, it doesn't look too good in this clip, but they do look better with another pair of pants. So like I said, it's definitely worth recommending just to go ahead and not eyeball it. I eyeballed it low-key in this whole video, but it is what it is. And then the second piece that I wanted to crop was this nice Adidas vintage jersey that I did thrift. This one doesn't have a name on it, which I really like. No names on the back. I don't really have to say, oh, that's my favorite player or whatever. But yeah, so this item I did go ahead and crop right above the Adidas XL logo. I didn't really know where I wanted this one to fit, and I also didn't know how cutting mesh would have came out. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this one. But here I am just aligning it up and then cutting away. This one is super boxy after I did cut it, so definitely will see me wearing this on Instagram, but this is definitely not something I'll wear a ton. Kind of just when I want to, you know, step out of a different type of fit. But here you guys go. I am cutting the last bit of fabric, and then you can see I did cut the whole Adidas tag off as well. I feel like everything with these black pants just didn't do it justice, but overall it does fit better with the jersey. If you guys have an old jersey that's a little too baggy for you, maybe even a baseball jersey, definitely go ahead and try and chop it up. It's all trial and error, to be honest with you. And then for this t-shirt, I did purchase this one off Amazon. This one was like $22, so I didn't mind really cutting it up. You probably can also find this at the thrift store, but this was like a random chef shirt or like a worker shirt, and I just went ahead, cut it up a little bit. This one was a little tough because it was like a thicker material, but the final product did come out pretty fire for this one. It gave me like a gallery department type of fit. And then for these pants, this was a before on the pants, and I'll show you guys the after with the full fit. But these were some Locust&WildHoney pants that I went ahead and chopped up a little bit. I saw Paul do the same exact thing with his pants, and they fit absolutely like better in my personal opinion, just cutting off a little bit of fabric at the bottom. And then here's the final fit, styling it for you guys. This is a nice workwear shirt that I just cropped from Amazon. The light wash denim is from Locust&WildHoney. Threw on some Truck 70s and then a nice little Flake Studios hat, which is also available on my website if you guys want to go ahead and cop that. And then here is also the nice little wash tee that I cropped. I feel like it looked a lot better with the light wash denim. I really want to know you guys' opinions on what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to go home and crop some tees, but I'll wrap it up with the next. So I may have said that this shirt was a little short earlier, but after wearing it today, It fits me just fine. So here you guys have it, the shirt that I cropped earlier. I also really love this black shirt that I cropped. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this small short styling portion, but this shirt right here will be linked off of Instagram if you want to purchase this shirt and then crop it, or you can go ahead and try and find one at the thrift store. Overall, hopefully you guys did enjoy this cropping video. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the description box. Make sure to go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe if you guys are new here. And I also do want to hear your guys' opinions down below in the comment box, because your boys does respond to every single comment. So yeah, if you guys do see me on Instagram with a little bit of cropped items, it's because I'm doing it myself. I've been thrifting a lot of items or just finding random blanks like this one off of Amazon. I also wanted to go ahead and add, if you guys need any of the items that I used in this video, any of the tools or even this black t-shirt, I'll link it down below. So using that link does help out the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Peace. And if you guys watched to the end of the video, make sure to go ahead and comment the nice little scissors emoji, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through. It is officially crop season, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Peace.